Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a professional website using Wix. The first thing you want to do once on Wix Website Builder, you're going to need to create an account. You can do this for completely free using your email address. Once you're signed up, I want you to tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. If you wanted to create your website using the Wix AI feature, you'll tap on Start Chat. But for this example, we're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the search bar, and from here you can type in whatever business or purpose you're creating your website for. So let's say, for example, you are creating your website for consultation purposes. So you're a consultant. You can type in consultant right here, and you can see consultancy, consultant landing page, and you can see the different subheadings or niches that you can choose from. So let's say I were to just select consultant, then I'm going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can add a name for your business. So I'm just going to leave it as Simple Answers. You could also add in your business address. Then you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be able to set up your working hours. So for example, we'll be opening shop from Monday to Friday, and we are going to be open from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So we'll select that, then tap on continue. After doing that, you can see some sample recommended services that you can add. So you can add any one of these services that are related to your business. After you have added the services, if it is the case that you would like to create a service, you can tap on Create New Service at the bottom of the page and input the service name. Once you are finished, you're going to tap on Continue once more. From here, you will be able to add your staff member's name and email address. Then select Continue, and you can also add different tools or features. So for example, if you'd like to offer virtual sessions, you can select that. If you would like to accept online payment, you can also select this option. Then you'll tap on continue. Then select continue once more. After doing that, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, I'll be showing you how to customize the services that you have added. So for example, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. Then from there, you're going to select booking services. After selecting booking services, you'll be redirected to this page, and you can see the services that you added earlier. You're going to tap on edit beside the service. Then from here, you'll be able to change the cover image. You can also change the title, and if you'd like to add a tagline or description, you can do that. You can also set up your duration. So for example, let's say 30 minutes. You can add a buffer time, and you can also choose how your clients pay. So whether they pay per session with a plan or per session or with plan. And you can choose if it is a fixed price, if this is a free service that you'll be offering, or the price varies. Then you can enter the amount. Once you have done that, you can scroll down, and then from there you can choose whether you like to offer this service in a physical location or you would like to add a video conferencing option. And you can also choose a staff member that will be recommended for that particular service. Then you're going to tap on save, and you would continue making these changes to all of the services that you have added. Once you have customized your services, you can go over to the left hand menu option once more, and from there you can tap on getting paid. And by the way, after setting up your services and your website, this is where you'll be able to see all of your bookings. By tapping on booking calendar, you'll be able to see all of your bookings right here. And you can also manually add bookings by tapping on add in the top right hand corner. You could manually add bookings. So let's close this right here, and you can manually add bookings if you want. Now to get paid, you're going to tap on getting paid in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on connect payment method. Then from there you can see the different payment options that you can connect. And this varies depending on the country you're located in. So if we were to change the country that our business is based in, so let's say we were to change it to Canada, by doing this you'll realize that I am now presented with a different set of payment methods, as you can see right here. And to get even more payment options, I can tap on see more payment options, and you can see it right there. So you can connect any one of these payment options. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then from here, I want you to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you can choose from any one of these stunning templates. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix website builder compared to others. As with these templates, you'll be able to create a professional looking website in no time, even as a complete beginner. And let's say for example's sake, I were to select this template. So I'm going to tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're just going to give it a few seconds while your website is being prepared in the background. Once it is up and running, we'll continue with the tutorial. From here, if you'd like to input information, you could do that, and then the Wix AI will compose content that you can add onto your website. Normally, I would close that pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. After doing that, you can see how my website looks right here. To start customizing it, for example, let's say I would like to change the name in the header section. I can tap on the current name, then select edit text, and from there I could type in, for example, simple answers. After adding the name, if I would like to change the font size, I can do that by pulling along the slider. I can also change the font style. And this is how you'll be able to edit every section. You can simply tap on it. So I could tap on the vector art, then tap on change vector art, and from there you can choose to upload an image, or you can choose from one of their current vector arts right there. You can search for it, and that's as easy as it gets. You can hover over every section. So I can change the name here once more. I can simply tap on edit text, then I could change the name. And if it is a case that you would like to add an element that you don't see, so for example, let's say you like to add a text box, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different elements right here that you can add. So whether it is a text, an image, a picture, a payment button, anything at all that you would like to add, you can find it in this section. And another standout feature when it comes onto Wix is there are numerous tutorials that you can find. So if it is a case that you'd like to customize your website in a particular way, you can go more in depth and you can search for different tutorials on YouTube, and you'll be able to quickly find assistance. And you can scroll down to change the image. I could select the image right here. Then I can tap on change background image, and I could change the background image right there. I can also tap on manage columns, and if you would like to change the column style or so on, you can do that. All you have to do is hover over any section that you want to change, and then from there you can change it. You can change the background image. You could change the current image that is right here by simply selecting it. You can tap on change background. Then from there I could select image, and you can choose to either upload an image by selecting upload media in the top left hand corner, or you can type in the type of business that you have right there, and you'll be provided with a copyright free image that you can use. So let's say for example I wanted to use this. I could select this image, then tap on change background, and you can see that it has changed right there. And you can scroll down and continue editing. And to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on home in the top left hand corner. So for example, I can go onto the services page, and this is it right here. And you can also tap right there again in services, and you could tap on book online, and you will be able to see the booking page, as you can see right there. To add a new page to your website, you're going to tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages. To add a page, all you would need to do now, if you would like to add a page, you'll tap on Site menu, then you'll tap on Add Page. After selecting Add Page, you can see the different pages right here, the different categories. So Services page, Projects page, all different pages that you can choose from, or you can choose to add a blank page. Once you're finished creating your website, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on Publish. And keep in mind, to accept payments on your Wix website, you will need to sign up to their paid plan. So that is the only time that you'll definitely need to sign up to the paid plan. But I do recommend that you sign up, as it provides numerous advantages at a very affordable price. Hope you found this helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button